Hey YouTube, it's Mo. I'm back with another video. So this here, I've had it for some time. It's from Aliexpress. It's a Brazilian wave something. I'll leave all the information in the description bar below. But what I'm going to do is throw a couple crimps in the hair and see how I like it. So stay tuned. Okay. So, I'm not going to crimp the entire head because that's going to take entirely too long. Please excuse my voice. I'm recovering from a cold. So this crimper, I got this years ago. It's a Jill Breer New Wave Professional. Got this years ago and it's still going strong. It's been about 10 years.
You want to put it on?
Lovely. Thumbs up if you guys would like to see more hair videos, or if you'd like to see a tutorial on this makeup. It's not that extravagant. It's pretty simple everyday makeup. So just give a thumbs up if you want to see that. So this is my first crimp and I think I like it. So I'm just going to crimp more and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I'm done and I love it. I haven't worn my hair completely crimped in so long. And the hair is still soft. I didn't use any products in it. I just crimped it. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. So I love it. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. See you guys next time.